Hello and welcome to a Belcoda platform tutorial video on how to create an event and share events on mobile. To start, you'll have to tap on events down below here if you're not already there. And here you'll see a list of drafts and published events that you've already created. You can also tap on these arrows here to see your calendar where you have events published and drafted. To create a new event, you'll just have to tap on this button here in the top right corner. And then you have to give your event a name. So maybe you're organizing a community waste action day. You'll have to add a description. So maybe you're organizing a waste action day in Accra in Ghana. Then a date as well. So let's say this is happening in March on Sunday, for instance, the 29th. And let's say this is a full day event. So let's say you're organizing this from noon until 8 p.m. You can then add an address, either in person or virtual, where you might want to meet, for example. And then the town, and of course the country where you're organizing this event. You might want to also add a feature image. So you'll just have to upload that. And there you go. You might have to crop it a little bit, your photo. And while that uploads, you can add more of a description. Maybe you want to add some extra information. And then you can also add information for a survey. Maybe you're interested in knowing people's gender, for instance. You can also add custom questions here. So maybe a multiple choice question on what size gloves you want, maybe. And then you can add your options here manually. And you can add more options. There you go. So you might have 3 different types of gloves. And then you can go ahead and click Save. Now what that's done is that's created a little preview here of what your event looks like, the information that you provided. You can then also here toggle this switch to publish the event. Now you've published the event. You can also view that in full page. So now you see what this looks like for people that are sent your event when you share it with them. Plus here are the questions that we added. You can then also go back and edit the event if you need to. And then you can also add people that are already in your existing database, for instance. You might want to add a few individuals that you know are already have already agreed to attend the event. You can add them directly to the event. There they are, automatically signed up. And you can then also monitor whether they attended or they didn't show up. You can also do that if you go up here and you click on share. You have different sharing options. You can share the link that sends them to that page I showed you. Also a WhatsApp link that you can share via WhatsApp, or a QR code that people can scan if you want to print that off, for instance. You can also embed it in your website. Or what you can also do is you can show this code when people show up to your event so they can easily scan that they've attended the event. So that's a way for you to track who attended your event.